2:40, day 2 of our Uttara Kannada ride. Only concern is my bike giving that jerky throttle response. Current plan is to go to Sathodi Falls, which is towards Yellapur. So this is Sirsi and this side is Yellapur. So 27 km to Yellapur from here, and today's plan is to visit Sathodi Falls, Hanging Bridge, and a place called Ulvi. So the plan is now, the first thing is to get fuel. The road to Sathodi is terrible. So somewhere on the way we lost sight of Maddy, who was actually behind us. So he missed the road and he went in a different way. So even he was turning back, and we met again in the near Siddhapur junction again, where we had to take this left for the Sathodi Falls. So it kind of took a lot of time for us, almost 1 hour, 25 kilometers from the Yellapur, and we almost came around 20 kilometers and head back again 20, and now again we are going back to trying to reach the Sathodi Fall. So it was quite an adventure today. So Hanging Bridge is 1 kilometer from here, and 6 kilometer is to Sathodi. Last 6 kilometer they have put this concrete road. Other than that, it is kind of a terrible road to reach. It almost takes around 1 hour easily from Yellapur. From this point onwards, we lost all the footage which was taken in a different GoPro due to memory card corruption. So I put in few drone shots which actually gives a beautiful view of the Sathodi Falls. This is the famous Yellapura hanging bridge. This is located in the middle of a dense forest which connects the Yellapura, which is in Yellapur, to Ulvi in Dandeli. The bridge is around 234 meters long and 1.5 meters wide, which makes it easy for a motorcycle to pass at a time. I've taken a few drone shots of that and even went on the bridge on the verses. It was really a fun ride. too hot and too much of crowd, and they're like, so what I did, took the my versus on that hanging bridge. So a couple of drone shot we took, and that's it. Now time is around 2:30 and like crazy hungry. We just had 2 dosa in the morning, and our idea was by 2 we'll come back. Seems like to reach the Yellapur itself we're gonna take around 1 hour from now, because the road is so bad and there's a steep uphill with lot of gravels and loose rocks. So versus 650 can go easy on this because of the less weight and it's more agile. He is a monster, Mr. 1000. So it's kind of getting a Hayabusa and moving it up. Oh, God. And that too with the pillion is always gonna be alright. So we just had some snacks at one of our restaurant back in. We were super hungry, so had a Maggie and a omelette. Now heading back to Yellapur, probably around 3 kilometers. Now we already covered around 20 plus kilometers. Bad roads. Okay, I think this is where they started the concrete work. From this point it is good enough. Yes. So one of the persons suggested the best fish is on this side. This is the hotel, Prabhu Hotel, Prabhu Food Palace. So let's see.
We came around 4 o'clock.
How is the food here? And something left for us. Oh, really? Okay, starting from Prabhu Food Palace. Food is not so great. I would not recommend it. So now heading back to the Gangavana, our base stay. So today we have explored the Yellapur side. I think few more places are there, but the time is a constraint again here. So Uttara Kannada, I think need a lot of good amount of time to see a lot of things here. There are a lot of good places. So now from here on, we're gonna go rest today. And tomorrow we're gonna head towards Sirsi